Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Ipsy and we're going to be talking about Boxy Charm. We're going to unbox both the February Ipsy Glam Bag and the February Boxy Charm. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe before you leave and give me a thumbs up. Be the encourager. And so let's get into it. My January Ipsy bag had got here so late in the month of January that I know you probably had seen 8,000 reviews, videos, unboxings, and I had too. So although there was some good stuff in there, I didn't share it with you because it just got here so late. I am wearing the Ofra by Ipsy liquid lipstick from January, and you know what? This is so good. These are very lightweight. They last really well on the lips, and I'm really liking them. I will probably buy more from that brand when I'm in the market for more liquid lipsticks. I want to show you the bag though. I love the bag. Love the fob. This is like so me. It's all sporty and it's Seahawks colors. It's blue and it's the neon green and it's the pink that I love, hot pink. So I did love this bag. Some of the contents were hit and miss for me, but you know, again, worth $10. And since we're talking about Ipsy, let's just start with Ipsy. This is a new pink bag, kind of, I don't know if you call this rose or whatever, but it's a nudish style pink. It's got lace applique. It's got Ipsy on the fob. It's not my particular taste, but I am rarely disappointed in the types of bags that they send out. Usually if it's yellow, I don't like it. I prefer the sporty type bag from last month, Seahawks colors. Let's see what's in it. Here's the Glam Squad all in their underwear. It says Ipsy Unzipped. Oh, I see. It says being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. Then why hasn't Ipsy accepted me into the OS program, Ipsy OS? I've been a subscriber since the very beginning. I don't get it. All sizes and shapes and ages, man. This is by Bang Beauty. It says Smoked Peach. Let's see if it's a blush or an eyeshadow. Uh-oh, there's some smoked peach on the outside of it. Let's be careful opening that. This has very tight closure. I couldn't get it open. I used scissors to get it open. Oh, good, it's not broken. Okay, this looks like NARS Orgasm or like the Balm Hot Mama. I do like Hot Mama. I don't like Orgasm. Sounds funny. That is really, really light, but I think it's going to be really pretty on the cheeks. It's going to be more glowy than it is peachy. I'm going to try this, and if I don't like it, I know my friend Tracy will, because that's her kind of color. I don't wear a lot of peach tones because sometimes the yellows and the peaches just don't go with my complexion, so let's pull everything out of there. Next up says a brightening spot on targeted skin brightening serum from Mad Skincare. I haven't heard of this brand. I'll use it in time. I'm using some other stuff for brightening right now that I'm testing. So it will probably sit there for a while before I test it. Now we have Marks. It says Sydney and failed again. Aww. Failed again for Valentine's. This looks like a pigment. Let's see if it has a sifter. It does have a sifter. This is a charcoal color, I think, with some sparkle to it. Oh, it's a silver. It's a very pretty dry glitter, so you're going to want to wet it to use it. Well, you can't really see it, can you? It's basically a shimmery silver glitter. It's very small fleck, very fine. It'd be a nice little accent on my spot there. I emptied my bag out so that I could get to the contents easier instead of fumbling around like I usually do. And I see that there's one item where I know the brand and the other ones are new brands to me. This is from Mellow. It's a matte liquid lip paint and it's in the color Turan. This looks like, well, in the tube it looks like Tarte Festival. It may be a little bit darker than Tarte Festival, but I think it might be similar. I'll have to swatch those together and see what I think. I like it. I like this color. I like that it is pocket sized and it's going to last a long time. I like to just carry my lip color in my pocket a lot of times. And then finally we have a Luxie brush. Love Luxie brushes. This is a double-ended brush. I would rather have a single-ended brush. This is like to pat on your colors, and this is the blending brush. I never know how to store these, so I usually keep them in a drawer in the front of the drawer so that I can see them, and then I forget to use them. But I think I will store these with my other brushes, and I'll just try to remember that it is a dual-ended brush and that I can use both sides. So that's my Ipsy for this month. Am I thrilled with it? Probably not. I don't really do a lot of peach, but I'm gonna love this color. I have to wait and use this product to let you know the silver glitter. It's not really my color of silver, but I do love the sparkle in it. I think that'll be really pretty. So yeah, definitely worth 10 bucks. I just love getting my Ipsy bag. I love to explore the new brands that I haven't tried before or that I haven't heard of before because I found some real favorites with Ipsy. I don't love this bag, but something for everybody, and that's fine. I have quite the collection of Ipsy bags because I've been a subscriber from the start. So I really enjoyed it, and yeah, worth 10 bucks. February's Boxy Charm. Let's see what's in it. This, I know one thing's in it, so I'm gonna just pull that out right away. It's the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in Amethyst. I just videoed this in a haul, showing you what the color is like, and actually I'm wearing it right here. You can see that it's just lightly colored. It is not super glittery or anything. It's just a nice shimmer. And you could even use this very lightly for a highlight. You don't have to just use it on the eyes. It would be good for a spot highlight on your lips. This is called X Faux Lips. I had to look on the card. I wasn't sure what it was. I haven't heard about this before. This is from Pure, the Complexion Authority. This is a plumping lip exfoliator. I'll use that tonight to get off my liquid lipstick. It says, with intense boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Oh, that's nice. Doesn't have any particular scent. From Vintage Cosmetics, we have a smoky eye pencil in jet black. I mean, it's going to be jet black. Jet black. Sleep pigmented smoky eye pencil, delivers intense jet black definition. It's creamy soft formula. I would agree with that. It's probably not waterproof, so it probably won't work on my allergy eye, but I'm going to try it anyway. Crown Brushes has included a trio brush set. I have to ask you guys, I've only had BoxyCharm for 3 months. I know, haven't filmed them. And I think Crown Brush has been in every BoxyCharm. Is that normal? Are they in every BoxyCharm? It looks like you have your flat shader or used for cream products. Either you can use this for highlighting, blush, or blending. And this is like a spot blending brush, I think. The medium brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. And the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. I don't have a need for these brushes, and I find that crown brushes can be hit or miss. I would hope that these would be hit, but I'm probably not going to use them. I'm probably going to give them away. We have 2 items from Ofra. Now I'm really excited. This is a blush refill, and this is a pop-up mini palette. Look at this palette. I love that you can see through here. I really like, oh gosh, you could even stand this up if you want to. I really like palettes that are this size because then they're easy to travel with. You can get a whole look in them, but it's not humongous. And I really like this size palette. This is smaller than a MAC 15 pan. I really like that size. And the blush looks like a nude blush. Offers strong pigment and a long-lasting effect. And a fabulous pressed powder blush. I'm really excited because I like that liquid lipstick from last. Oh, look how they package it. That's really nice. It totally holds it in place. That's really nice. That is a tawny color. So for all you nude blush lovers, that's really pretty. I'm gonna like that. I probably will pass this on to Tracy. I mean, I kind of want to try it, but I really don't wear that color very often. Anyways, I'm going to put this Ofra into my little Ofra palette. Isn't she pretty? I love this palette. Totally worth the 23 bucks, I think it is, for BoxyCharm, because like this is like 26 bucks itself. And a new brand I'm excited to try. So yeah, that's what we got this month in BoxyCharm. Let me know if you got the same things. Like I said, I'm new to BoxyCharm. I have been watching BoxyCharm unboxings for a while because I always meant to subscribe and I kept forgetting. And so then I would see all these things that I wanted that I had to buy separately in the BoxyCharms. So I'm really excited to be a BoxyCharm member now. And maybe if they had an OS program, maybe they would accept me, regardless of size or age. Anyway, let me know what all you got below. Let me know if you got the Ipsy Ofra liquid lipstick last month, and if you love it as much as I do. Before you go, if you haven't already, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Say hi, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye.